One of the biggest trends I'm seeing in makeup right now are bold colors and graphic eyeliner. I personally love graphic eyeliner, so I had to get my hands on one of the best products on the market right now, and that is the SUVA Beauty Hydra Liners. I got 6 different colors so I can play with them and experiment and create as many looks as I want. The link to these liners will be in my description box below, so go ahead and check them out. I highly recommend. Today I'm going to be reviewing these liners. I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial showing you how they work and how to apply them. And obviously going into this tutorial, I already have my base all complete and my eyebrows done, so I'm going to go ahead and just focus on the eyes. I was so excited to get started, I almost completely forgot to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Bitsy. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it would mean the world to me if you subscribe down below and you can catch all of my next videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much. I love you guys. Just a reminder, I post new videos every Wednesday and every Friday, and I can't wait to get started with these. They are so fun, so let's just jump right in. Each little pot contains about 10 grams worth of product. This is a fairly decent amount, and it will last you a very long time. You can use all different types of brushes to apply this depending on the look that you're going for, but today I want more of a precise line, just like winged eyeliner, so I'm going to use a really precise little brush. I am using the Morphe M250 brush. It's a super skinny precise liner brush. To activate the Hydra liners and turn it from a solid to a liquid, all you need to do is just add a drop of water. I would personally recommend just dipping your brush in a little bit of water and then just touching it straight to the product until you get the consistency that you like. It really doesn't take much more than just a drop of water to get that liquid eyeliner type of consistency that's easy to work with and easy to apply. The hardest part for me, not just for this, but for any makeup look I do, is figuring out what color and what shape I want to go with. It usually makes it a lot easier if you are copying a reference photo or if you're following along with a tutorial. I personally do not want to take credit for or copy anybody else's art, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wing it, no pun intended. Also in this case, I'm not actually going to be applying eyeshadow, which you can just go over your eyeshadow with this liner, but I want to use the liner for my whole look today. Right now I am drawn to the yellow, so I'm just going to go ahead and go with that. I'm going to go ahead and activate it with just a little drop of water. So I think the shape I want to go for is I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little crease line right here and bring it out and then connect it to a wing down below. These liners are seriously so pigmented and I was really worried about screwing up this line, but it is insanely easy to work with. Now the hard part is trying to get the same shape on both sides, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that I have this one done, I'm going to go ahead and share a couple thoughts that I've been having while applying them. I find the liner easier to apply when it's more of a thick, creamy consistency, so I only apply a tiny little bit of water. But obviously, the more water you add, the harder it will be to control because it's more of a liquid. I decided that I wanted to go in with just a little bit of this neon orange color, and I'm going to go ahead and go right under, like right below the yellow. I really like how that turned out, and I do want to give a lot of credit to the brush that I am using. I do think that if the brush was thicker or didn't come to a sharp point, it would be a little bit more difficult to get a sharp line. Okay, so far I really like how the liner is turning out, but it does need a little bit more. It's not done yet. So I'm going to go ahead and just attach a little bit of a wing right here just to connect both lines. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to the yellow for that one. Okay, so impulsive decision time. I think I want to go ahead and create a normal shaped wing right here with the orange. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, so that's how that's looking so far. I definitely think it's turning out pretty cool. So I'm thinking with this gap right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill both those in with the white Hydra liner. Like I said, we're winging this completely and we're just going as I please. I definitely think that that was a good call. I think it looks a little bit cleaner and a little more bold. So I really like how it looks, but I want to bring it all together. I think I want to go ahead and drag the tip out a little bit and create a little front wing using the orange color. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I don't know if it's just because I'm a perfectionist or I like symmetry or what, but I think I now need to line the bottom just a little bit with yellow just to kind of keep the whole look together. Okay, I think the eyes are officially done. I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some lashes just to kind of wrap it all up, and I will be right back. Okay, now the eyes are officially complete, and in case anyone is wondering, the lashes I am wearing are the Ardell Faux Mink lashes in the style 811. Now, before I share my final thoughts about these Hydra liners, there is one other cool feature that I want to show you guys. I'm going to turn off my light and it will be very, very dark for 1 second. Alright, so one of the coolest features about these liners is that some of them, so the yellow and the orange liners that I used, this one is called Acid Trip and this one is called Dance Party. When you shine a UV light on them, yeah, they literally glow, and that's like probably one of the coolest parts about these liners. Like, they're really cool as is on their own, but once you shine a little UV light on them, they glow, which I think is insane. It looks so cool. Like, I suddenly want to wear these liners to a rave, but I don't go to raves, but that would be really cool. I do want to throw a quick disclaimer out there. This review is not sponsored in any way. I purchased all of these liners with my own money. They were not given to me by the brand. So this whole review is my genuine, honest thoughts and first impressions of the liners, and I really, really like them. To me, it's like playing with watercolor paints, but just in makeup form. You can use these like paint anywhere on your face or your body. And they have so many cool, pretty colors, and I'm excited to play with the other colors that I have. If you want me to make any other tutorials using these Hydra liners, just let me know down in the comments below. I love them. For my first time using them, I found it very, very manageable and very, very easy and quick to figure out. As I saw on the SUVA Beauty Instagram page, a lot of professional makeup artists use these liners. And I was very curious of how I would be able to perform with these, considering I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just have fun playing with makeup, and these were a lot easier to figure out than I expected, and they are so fun. Colorful liner is right up my alley. I think that this look turned out so pretty, and I'm really, really happy with it. And once again, all the information on the products that I used will be linked down in my description box below, including the liners, my lashes, and the brush that I used to apply them. I think these liners are very, very reasonably priced. Each little pot is about $14 US, and I don't know if you can tell, but I barely put a dent in any of these liners using them today. So they will likely last you a very, very long time, and I'm really happy about that. And with that being said, I think that covers everything. So if you have any other questions, just ask me down in the comments below. And while you're still here, go ahead and give this video a like for me. I would really, really appreciate it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. You are the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see from me next. I post videos every Wednesday and every Friday. So I will catch you guys next time. I hope you are all still staying safe, staying healthy, and staying home. And while you're there, you should watch my next video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.